Hello and a very warm welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you how you can delete images from Chatgpt that you've previously uploaded and delete them forever. Now, typically deleting the conversation, which you can do on the left-hand side via clicking the Chatgpt logo and opening the sidebar, that doesn't always delete the images because the images can be stored somewhere separate. So what you need to do realistically is log in, and once that sidebar is open, select the library button on the left, and here you'll see all of your images and documents from throughout the years. Some of them are of course very private. Select the image on the left hand side when that small box pops up that you would like to delete, and then you'll see the button saying delete appears on the right hand side. You can also download previous images on Chatgpt, select delete, and then from there it'll be removed and deleted permanently, and it will free up some space on Chatgpt. I select delete, and the rest is done. That file has now been removed from Chatgpt. So thank you very much for watching today's video. Please do leave a like and subscribe down below.